What's up, y'all? It's your girl Love. Y'all already know that, but if you don't, you new to the channel or whatever, it's me. I've been incognito for a little while. I've been going through some stuff. Oh, I almost dropped my phone. Moving, trying to unpack, working, but all is well. I've been doing a little self-evaluating, doing a little bit more praying, a little bit more meditating, getting to know myself better, trying to relearn everything that I like to do, because when you get in a situation, you revolve your whole life around that other person, and well, me anyways. You revolve your life around making sure that other person is comfortable. So it's a lot that I used to do that I'm trying to figure back out now. I started back, I really never was a TV person, but I started watching more Netflix documentaries and shit on Netflix. I got Netflix, all that. I watch more documentaries, doing a lot more research, reading. I fell off on my reading. I stay reading autobiographies or some informative stuff. Just trying to get my mind back at peace. So that's what I've been doing. I'm about to start losing weight because I gained like 10 pounds, but you know, it is what it is. But let me show y'all my yard. It's not as big as the other yard, but it's a yard. So I'm sitting on my little patio. It's a little patio, but this the yard. Me and my boys got out here earlier and raked all these damn twigs and branches off to the side. I just leave the garage door open. I don't park in there. I don't go in there. I don't have nothing in there but the lawnmower. So I leave the garage door open. Dogs run in and out of there as they please when they out here, because they in the house. Onyx and Stormy run through the house, but I just keep the other ones in because of the situation I just went through. I'm not trying to have nobody in my business and calling people on me or none of that. So I keep my dogs to themselves. So hold up, I'm gonna record because we've been here 5 days and my dogs have got their own little routine. They go straight out, straight to their area. Hold up. But Stormy is in heat. She started her heat Sunday. Today's Saturday. She'll be ready Wednesday to breed. She'll be ready Wednesday to breed if I breed her, because I still got them other puppies I'm trying to get rid of. But yeah, that's my surprise. Stormy's in heat. So drop in the comments when y'all start counting y'all dog ovulation days, heat days I should say, her heat cycle. Do you start from the first day of swelling or the first day of bleeding? Me myself, I count from the first day I see blood, because Stormy, like most dogs, don't super swell up. And Stormy always had like a little swollen cooch already anyways, but one day I seen her, I'm like, dang, she look like she started heat. The next day she was bleeding. So Stormy is in heat.